Hey guys, this video is about unboxing of Momento 5 wireless earbuds and a simple review of it. A simple introduction of this earphone first. It comes with touch control and of course it's sweat-proof with IPX4. And the battery life is up to 24 hours of listening with the charging case. And it claims to have 4 hours of music playback, so I think it is good enough for daily activities. So let's open it up first. Okay, after using it for a few days, I find that for fit and comfort, the earbuds fits well and it feels so light. So it's comfortable to wear for long hours. While exercising and jogging, it stays securely, so I couldn't complain more. As for the performance, the audio and video syncs pretty well and does not have much delay. You can use it as a stereo or mono, which means just one-sided, so whether it's for call or something. For call quality, it's great, loud and clear. Others can hear me clearly too. For sound quality, it sounds great for the price. Audio is sharp and you can hear all sounds clearly, but the bass is on the weak side though. Although it is not as powerful, but you still can hear the bass. And the bass is much better than other wireless earbuds within this price range. So for final verdict, I find that it's comfortable to wear for long hours. It fits well and securely. It has nice treble with decent bass. Long hours of battery life. The call quality is great. And it's sweat-proof IPX4. So that's about it. If you like this video, click the like button.